welcome back. Welcome back. All right, so y'all, if you've seen the video that I'm gonna post or have already posted, we don't know yet, about my wash day routine. I did my hair yesterday and it is not completely dry. Mind you guys, it is like 7 degrees outside and it feels like below somebody. So I decided, since I have some errands to run, I'm just gonna wrap my head, and I figured what better opportunity than now to show people how I wrap my head, because everybody be asking me, and personally it's the easiest. Like, I can't explain it. So what I did right now is, instead of me having the 2 ponytails that y'all might have seen me in my little wash day and my skin regimen, go check those videos out, go see those. But what you might have seen is I had 2 ponytails, so I just put it back in 1 ponytail. So right now that's what it looks like. I have this little stocking cap. It's for people with locks, so it's extra long, but I use it for when I have braids and protective styles that I want out of my face when I'm sleeping. So all I do is I take this here and I tuck it in down at the bottom so it can be flat. What I'm trying to do is create a flat skull, because I don't want my hair wrap looking crazy. And what I always use is right here. It's just the infinity scarf, just a black infinity scarf, whole circle. I get asked a lot, like, how you do that? How you wrap your hair like that? This is the only thing I can do to help you and explain it. Y'all, I'm sorry, I got distracted. I'm looking at my time. Like, why does it have like minutes out of minutes? I don't know. Hopefully this ain't like attacking on to something else, but I don't think it is. Anywho, take this infinity scarf. All you do is you put it on your head like this. And mind y'all, I did put a little edge control on my edges, because when I slept, the bonnet didn't stay. So, it was all fluffy. So it wasn't like slick down no more. Anywho, we're gonna just line this up. There's some like white lint on there or something. Anyway, line that up with the edge of this stocking cap or satin cap. That's really what it is. And I just check that it's like I like it in the back. I personally like it to fold upward and not inward. So when I say that, I mean like this part right here. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I will just wrap my hair like this, which I'm highly tempted to do. But a lot of people think I'm Muslim, and I'm not. I just like to wrap my head. So instead of doing that, I do like a turban look. Instead of the little ball knot thing, I like the turban look because it don't move all day. It stays. So back to what I was saying. You want it flipped upward when you go to grab it. So I like to just make sure it's upward. And I grab it all, just like 2 ponytails. Bring it forward. I always make sure my ears are tucked how I like them, just flat. Don't want to have my ears feeling weird. And I do it like this so that when I go to put my mask on, all day I can just adjust it by pulling it down when I need to, but when I go to put my mask on, I can get to my ears. But that's the way I like it naturally before even having to wear a mask. And I just make sure all that is flat. We just take a hit cross. So I just crisscrossed it, see? Crisscross. And I go up to where I like on my eyebrow or on my forehead. I personally want my cross to line up with my face here. That's how anal I am. But don't worry too much on it, because you can fix it, which is why we got the folds going upwards, because you can adjust it how you like. So what I do here is I just tip my head down and kind of flip this over my head. So what I did was flip the loop around, so it's like this. Then I bring it to the back, and all I did was grasp them together, but I'm just gonna crisscross it again. Sorry about my sniffling. Tipping my head over is making my sinuses. Yeah. But I crisscrossed it and bring it back to the front. I don't like to do more than probably 3 because it's tight on your head. But it's based off how small or big your head is. So do your own comfortable amount. But for me, 3 is my max, and it almost is perfect every time. It's not too loose, and I'm just adjusting the width of the bands here. So once I go back around, I can adjust how it looks, like so. And then it's just literally like the perfect size of your head, or at least for me, for the third one. And I just bring it over. Like, y'all, this is my go-to hair wrap style. I like the turban look because all my hair is put up, and if it's cold outside, I don't have to worry about my hair getting beat up by the cold wind. And all I'm doing here is adjusting the folds how I like them. I like my folds to be even. So it almost looks like this is a pre-made turban, but it's not. So you remember those folds I was telling y'all about? Now I can bring this down as low or as high as I want. Then I just tuck them. I like to scoop my hair out a little bit, just a little bit, so you can tell I'm a girl. Because right now I am looking kind of androgynous with the swag. So we go back, just check out the folds and adjust them so that they are aligned with my face. Because I like my folds too, like I said. You want it. Same with these. I like them to match up to the center of the beginning fold, so they look the same. Anything up top here, how y'all saw that was just kind of sticking up, you literally can tuck it down. So it's pretty smooth all the way around. If I ever feel any bulkiness, I try to adjust my bands or the folds. So this is how I wear my hair wrap. It's pretty much like I can move my head. My hair is not being tugged on. I don't have to worry about my hair drying out from the cold or me getting sick from my hair being wet outside. Oh, let me show y'all one more thing that I like to do sometimes. I used to do this at work all the time. Like, try me. Tell me I can. Tell me. Because I love to do it. It's so cute. So this is like a Nefertiti charm for my hair. I've been having these charms for some years at this point, because I really love them, and I haven't found them again. So it hasn't fallen apart. Only thing it's done is kind of discolored. It used to be more. Oops! It used to be more gold. Let me get it. But now it's just a little bit more on the tarnish, or it's not tarnish. It's just turning silver, so you can see the base metal color. It's not bright yellow anymore. But I will do this, and I've attached it to a bobby pin. It's a little loop right there. I have so many hairstyles where I use this thing. Attach it to a bobby pin, and I would just stick it in here. Find a cute little cubby hole for it, I guess you can say. Y'all, like, I love wearing my hair wrapped because it's so cute to me. And it's something different than most people do. But yeah, tuck Nefertiti on in, baby. And boom. Little charm. You can tuck it where the top of her hat is under there better, but it really don't matter. It's up to how you like it. You can stick it on the side, you can stick it in the front. It pretty much stays though. See? It stays. You can actually use the bobby pin and attach it to a fold, but what I did was kind of tuck it in there, up underneath a couple folds. but it still stays. But yes, that's how I do my cute little head wraps, and I like it to stay. I just don't want it moving so much. Which you could put a second bobby pin right here on the corner and just kind of tuck it in. Which let me show ya. Take another bobby pin. Just go through the corner. Guess this was easier if I took it out. Now I got 2 support spots. And this is also kind of easier with a thinner hair wrap. But I don't know, I get it done when I do it. I don't know how. I just works. There we go. Get my folds back how I like them. Boom, boom, boom. And boom, boom, boom. It's there. You dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Anyway. Took my Chiefs charm off. I like having the charm on, but it's sterling, so it's like white. I'm not wearing no white. I'm wearing rose and yellow today. Get my watch on. Start. This wasn't a part of my swag today. It really wasn't, but I'm thinking I might leave it. I like it. So I might leave it. Get my little earrings on. I normally will wear hoops when I wrap my head, but I'm not today because I'm gonna have to keep putting on this mask and I don't feel it. So I'm just gonna put my little studs in, my little diamonds, studs, little hearts, cute. They match my set that my baby got me. Got a ring, got a necklace, got a bracelet, and earrings. But I love these. They're so cute. Look. So it's a heart on the side, and it's holding the diamond in the center. Y'all can't see. The diamond is too shiny. But anyway, I love this set. I haven't seen them come back. So I work as a jewelry consultant, if y'all wanted to know. So when I seen these earrings, I was like, I got to have them. And I have not seen these earrings again. I'm like, these are bomb. Maybe somebody customed them. I don't know. We had like 2 pair and that was it. I never seen them again. Get the bling bling in. Get the bling bling in. There we go. And we're done. Thanks for watching. 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 So I hope y'all like my little hair wrap tutorial, and you know, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, share, tell your friends, do it again, subscribe some more, hit the bell, you know. Thanks for watching. Now LMT DIY with Rika.